Hi everyone, I hope you are doing good. In this video I am going to show you how you can remove password from a PDF file. If you have a password protected PDF and you want to remove password permanently, watch this whole video and don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. So guys, let's learn something new today. So first of all, let me open my PDF file that is password protected, and then I will tell you how you can remove password from your PDF. And this is my PDF file with name of updated resume. Let me open it, and here you can see it is asking password to open it. So before I tell you how you can remove password from your PDF file, let me tell you one thing, that this trick only works when you know the current password of your PDF file, right? Now let me tell you how you can remove password from your PDF file. To remove password from PDF file, first of all you have to select your PDF, then go to right top corner and click on these three dots, and then you have to click on open it. And at the bottom of this page you will get this applications list, and in this list you will get this application called Google Drive. That means you have to open your PDF file with Google Drive. Click on it, and then you have to enter your PDF password. So let me enter my PDF password, then click on open, and your PDF file will open with Google Drive. Once you have opened your PDF file with Google Drive, then again go to right top corner and click on these three dots, and here you have to click on print, and this print preview page will open. Once this page is open, again go to right top corner, click on these three dots, and here you will get this option save as PDF. Click on it, and if you want to rename your PDF name you can, and just click on save. That's it. Password will be removed from your PDF file. Let me show you. Let me open file manager in my phone, then let me go to documents, and now here you can see two PDF. This one updated resume is password protected, and this one I have just removed password, this one. So in this manner you can remove password from your PDF file. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Have a nice day.